How to hide notes on Instagram. Instagram notes appear at the top of your inbox, but you can control how they show or even turn off notifications. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap the three-line menu icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Content Preferences. Here, look for Hide Notes in Inbox and turn it on. Once enabled, notes from other users will no longer appear in your main inbox view. If you also want to stop notifications completely, go back and open Notifications. Scroll down and tap Messages and Calls, or Instagram Instant, depending on your app version. Turn off both instant notifications and emoji reactions. This will stop Instagram from sending you updates related to notes activity. And that's how you can hide or manage Instagram notes in just a few steps. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tips, tricks, and tutorials like this.